Racing just is started. We have Christina. Break quickly at the start. Adhikain. Moving upon the outside is Jonas Recipe. Instant running by the rail comes Chris's Skip. Paminsan-minsan. Panahon na comes next. And going along for the first turn, we have Christina. Jonas Recipe is on the outside. Running by the rail comes Chris's Skip. Adhikain in the middle portion. Instant is on the outside. Then next online is Paminsan-minsan. Panahon na Perfection. Then followed over by Gifted Jump. Next online is Dugus Fright. While Flying Hope now racing in less. Back to the leader. We have Jonas Recipe. Down on the inside is Christina. Moving up on the outside instant. Chris's Gift. Adhikain in the middle portion. Paminsan-minsan comes next. Panahon na. Then next online is Perfection. Gifted Jump. Flying Hope, while Dugus Fright now racing in last 400 meters of the race. The lead now belongs to Instant by Orleng and up. Moving up now on the outside, threatening danger is Panahon na as they swing for home. Panahon na now takes command down on the inside. Adhikain, Instant in the middle portion. Last 100 meters, we have Panahon na by about 4 lengths over Instant in second. And finally, Panahon na Instant. Then comes number 4, Adhikain, Perfection, Chris's Gift. And number 8, Paminsan-minsan.
Sinimulan ng tihado ka agad.
Yeah.